there's something you should know about me. And it's that I am a vinyl hoarder. This is also all stuffed full of vinyl. I can't even open these drawers. And that's not even all of it. It's just gotten way out of hand. And my toxic trait is that when things get really disorganized and really out of control, I just burn it to the ground and start over. So that's what we're doing today. I have a gift card to my craft source and we are gonna use it to restock my adhesive vinyl collection. My personal fave is StarCraft HD for permanent, and we're gonna get some 5-foot rolls. We're gonna go with matte. So let's just pick out some colors. Loving this powder blue. I'm a sucker for a good pastel pink. So we're also gonna do hot pink and regular pink because I love pink, and also the new Barbie movie is coming up, so we gotta be prepared. I also love this copper matte. I'm gonna do this pastel green, mint green, regular green. We have to do lilac. Oh, pastel orange, that's a yes. And then we're actually gonna go for this red orange. Okay, I'm loving how all these colors are looking. And now we just need transfer tape to round it out. And I always get Tape Tech medium tack. We're gonna use my discount code for a coupon. And voila. Now I have to clean out all the unusable vinyl so I can restock.